If you thought you knew what Apple had planned for this year, you might want to sit down right now. Apple's upcoming WWDC event is hiding something far bigger than anyone expected. A massive new leak just revealed the real plan behind iOS 27. If this newly leaked information is accurate, your everyday iPhone experience is about to change forever. This is not just another small redesign. It is not a simple software update with a few new colorful emojis or a slightly different lock screen. Apple is reportedly rebuilding the entire iPhone ecosystem from the ground up. They are building it around a shocking new partnership that nobody saw coming. This secret partnership could completely redefine how we use Siri every single day. It will revolutionize mobile photography for everyone. It will introduce crazy new background automations. Most importantly, it will entirely supercharge Apple Intelligence. But before we dive into all the insane new features coming to your device, there is some very bad news for millions of loyal users. Apple is officially ending software support for one of the most iconic iPhone lineups ever made. According to the newly leaked compatibility list, iOS 27 will strictly only support the iPhone 12 series and newer models. This support list also includes the third-generation iPhone SE. That means if you are currently holding an iPhone 11, an iPhone 11 Pro, or an iPhone 11 Pro Max, you are officially reaching the end of the road. Your beloved device will not get this massive update. The reason behind this harsh decision is absolutely wild. The older chips simply cannot handle the massive processing power required for what Apple is about to do. Sources claim that Apple has partnered directly with their biggest rival, Google. They want to integrate Google's incredibly powerful Gemini AI models deep into the very core of iOS 27. Let that sink in for a second. Google's cutting-edge AI could secretly become the actual brain operating behind Siri and Apple Intelligence. This hybrid system of Apple hardware and Google software is unlocking mind-blowing features. These are features Apple could simply never achieve on its own. Let us start with the camera app, because this update is absolutely huge. For the very first time ever, Pro iPhone users might finally get a fully customizable camera interface. You will no longer be locked into Apple's strict default layout. You will be able to drag and move every single button, tool, and setting exactly where you want it. You can build the camera screen for your own specific shooting style. But the real game changer here is the new Live AI visual search. This powerful tool is built directly into the camera viewfinder. You will be able to just point your iPhone at a random fast car on the street. You can point it at a cool luxury watch, a rare sneaker, a cute pet, or an unknown tech gadget. In a split second, the new Siri could instantly identify the exact model. It will pull up the exact pricing and grab all the relevant shopping information from the internet in real time. It will even instantly translate foreign text live on your screen as you look at it. Trust me, it gets even crazier after you actually take the photo. Leaks strongly suggest that iOS 27 is introducing a groundbreaking AI image extend feature. This tool will be capable of generating entirely new backgrounds around your existing pictures. Imagine taking a group photo where someone is slightly cut off at the edge. The AI can transform your normal, tight shots into massive, ultra-wide cinematic images. It does this by hallucinating the missing scenery perfectly. On top of that, there is a powerful new AI-enhanced tool. It is designed specifically to save your bad memories. It will take your blurry, old, or low-quality photos. Then, it will automatically restore them into sharp, high-resolution masterpieces in just a few seconds. But Apple's absolute biggest focus for iOS 27 appears to be a completely rebuilt Siri experience. We all know Siri has struggled a lot in the past. That era is finally over. Siri is reportedly getting its own dedicated, standalone app. It will feature deep personal context awareness. Instead of simply responding to basic voice commands or setting simple timers, this new Siri will actually understand your entire digital life. It could safely scan your emails, read your files, look at your photos, and learn your daily routines. It will use this private information to complete complex, real-world tasks totally automatically. Imagine telling Siri to find a specific PDF attachment from an email you received last week. Then imagine telling it to send that exact file through WhatsApp to your manager. You can do all this without ever touching your phone screen. The AI would reportedly handle every single step in the background on its own. You can consider this new Siri to be a highly intelligent agent. It sits quietly inside your phone, always ready to do everything you ask of it. Apple Wallet is also getting a massive brain upgrade this year. It is rolling out a brand new digital pass system that sounds incredibly useful for travelers and eventgoers. You will reportedly be able to use your camera to scan physical paper tickets. You can scan complex QR codes, old parking slips, and standard boarding passes. The AI will instantly digitize them directly into your Apple Wallet. There will be no more downloading random third-party apps just to park your car or go to a music concert. Whatever cool AI features you have been seeing in the newest Pixel phones and Samsung Galaxy devices, they are all finally making their way to the iPhone. The reason for this sudden massive leap is quite simple. Google has been powering most of the advanced AI features dominating smartphones right now. Apple realizes they desperately need that exact power. They are reportedly partnering with Google to finally bring true, next-generation AI capabilities directly into the Apple ecosystem. In my opinion, this is exactly the massive leap forward the iPhone has desperately needed for years. Having Gemini run silently in the background could easily make iOS 27 the most powerful mobile operating system in the world. The camera freedom combined with a truly smart Siri agent will make upgrading to a newer iPhone absolutely worth your money. This deep integration bridges the gap between premium hardware excellence and true artificial intelligence. It solves the biggest limitation Apple faced in recent years. Siri will finally become the ultimate personal assistant we were promised a decade ago. The visual search tools will turn your camera into a super-powered search engine for the real world. Letting users design their own camera layout shows that Apple is finally listening to pro photographers. Dropping support for the iPhone 11 series is definitely sad for many loyal users, but it makes perfect technical sense. The complex local processing required for this new Google and Apple hybrid AI system needs serious hardware power to run smoothly. Staying behind on an older chip would just result in a terrible, laggy experience. This bold move proves Apple is not holding back anymore. So, what specific feature are you most excited about in the upcoming iOS 27? Let us know down in the comments below. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video and hit the bell icon.